And the next step is going to be funnel viewers into buyers using a simple sales funnel for YouTube monetization. And so this is going to look like this. Your YouTube video should be value packed with content. Then it leads them to the lead magnet, which can be a free checklist, an ebook, or a resource to capture their emails. And then you want to send out email nurturing, which this is where you build trust and introduce your product, which is your next tier product, right? And you offer your digital product. You can do it with a discount or not with a discount. Now, for my Coach Simplify Academy members, what I just shared is not new. I've been preaching this simple funnel for years. I'm just now saying that your traffic is coming from YouTube. In the past, I probably mentioned other platforms. Your traffic is coming from YouTube. You're going to create value pack content. And let me just say this. Let me say this. You don't have to do what I am doing right now. You don't have to do a live stream. You don't have to be. I've been on for the past 44 minutes. You don't have to do this long piece of content like me. You can create a 5-minute video, right? Pre-recorded, right? And it could be value packed. I could have recorded this, and I don't know if I can get it under 5 minutes, but I could have recorded this, pre-recorded this, shared these tips, and just went on within about 10 minutes. But I like this live. I like this conversation, this chat that we have in this live platform. I just do better with live. Okay. For me, doing live presentations really feel like me teaching in the classroom. And this is how I would be in the classroom. Same way. So this is why I do it. But this is the simple type funnel. You create a YouTube video that has content, value content. It can be a how-to. It can be a case study. It can be a walkthrough, like behind the scenes. It can be those types that I just shared with you. And then you should have a lead magnet. So in that video, you mention, hey, I got this great checklist that walks you through all these steps that I just shared. If you want it, click the link in the description. Okay. Or click the link that is pinned in the comments. You can say that on YouTube. And then once they are added to your list, they are automatically added to an email sequence. I like to call that the gang logic fear emails. The gang is going to share with them what they're going to get and gain the transformation that's going to happen once they purchase your next product. The logic is logically, why are you not taking advantage of this? You can share testimonies, you can share your experience of what you've gotten, your transformation, what it has done in your life. And then the last one is the fear email that say, hey, if you don't get this right now, you won't see this special discount ever again. Okay, that is the email sequence that will help you build trust and introduce your product at the same time. And then you could offer, like I mentioned, a direct discount or a link directly to the digital product. And I mean, even if you offer the freebie in the description, you also can offer the actual digital product in your description as well. Okay. Bliss. All right. Where was I? All right. So let's keep going. All right. So let's do a quick review. Small audience, big sales. So if you missed some of the content and you came in late, let's do a quick review and talk about what we share. Small audience can equal big sales. Create content that attracts buyers, not just views. Use soft, strategic product placements in your videos. Y'all remember when I did that little soft pitch in the middle of my presentation? Optimize for search and discoverability. Use keywords everywhere. Use a tool like TubeBuddy. And then turn views into customers with a simple funnel. You don't need a huge following. You just need a smart system. And I wish Crystal was in here today, but Dr. Chris Brown actually implemented what I talked about with YouTube about a couple of months ago. Dr. Chris Brown started off with just about, I think, 29 subscribers on her channel. And now she's close to almost 400 subscribers in less than a couple of months. She has videos with over 1,000 views. Dr. Chris Brown is in the spiritual and meditation category. So she talks about spiritual vision boards. So she has implemented what I have shared in multitude of videos. And inside the Coach Simplify Academy, we talked about YouTube monetization. We talked about YouTube optimizing, right? And she has implemented and she's gotten results. So, and she is also, um, I think I can't give you an exact number. I want to say she was able to enroll over 20 students into her spiritual vision board course that she and I created together. So, and she's using YouTube to help her get the right people into her course program. Right. So I wanted to end on that. I want y'all to know that it works when you put in the work and you implement it. And then my last reminder again, if you are not a Coach Simplify Academy member, this is a great time for you to join. You get the Done For You collection. You get the 5K CEO Coach Roadmap. You get the expert-led labs, monthly group coaching calls. You get $196 worth of bonuses. You get the Done For You Roadmap and a 30-day content calendar that drops every single month. It's cheaper than one dinner out if you join us for $50 a month. Go to Coach Simplify Academy, CoachSimplify.com to join us. I look forward to seeing you there, right? And if I can help you guys in any way in the future, please reach out to me. I am on multiple platforms on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. It's all the same. You can find me under Alease Michelle. But thank you again for joining me. See you guys same time, same place next week. All right. Peace out. Have a great day.